Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today we're going to test out the TikTok viral video where you make a breakfast sandwich all in one. And we're going to do it right here. So on TikTok, there was a viral craze going around where people made a breakfast sandwich and they kind of did it in a weird way. And I'm going to show you what they did. And I did this once on TikTok before and it was quite good. It was quite easy to do as well. So you start off, I'm using a hot plate here. You can do it over the stove and a pan. And we're going to spray that with some cooking spray. And what you do is kind of do it in reverse. The first thing you're going to do is crack. I'm going to use 2 extra large eggs. You might have to go with 3 eggs. I'm going to make them scrambled. So what I'm going to do first is I'm actually going to crack the eggs into a cup and then mix it up to get it nice and scrambled first. So let's do that. Just use a fork or something, scramble them up. Now just take this, pour this into your hot pan. Don't know if the pan's hot enough yet, but it'll get there. And while the eggs are like this, you don't want them to cook too much. We're going to take 2 pieces of bread, just like so, and put them in there. Bigger pan might have worked better, but that's okay. We're going to do this until those eggs cook. And it's going to cook into the bread so that the eggs will hold into the bread good. And you'll see what we do from there. And while the eggs are cooking, you can actually butter some of your bread. I'm just going to use a little bit of soft butter. And after a few minutes, you can see that your eggs are cooked thoroughly. So what we're going to do now is get underneath all those eggs, and you'll see the toast or the bread has stuck to the eggs, which is perfect. That's what we want. Flip it over, just like so. Now we're just going to fill it with whatever you're going to put in your breakfast sandwich. Put some cheese on one side, and I'm going to put some bacon that's pre-cooked on the other side. And then all you have to do is take this flap, fold it in, kind of holds the cheese and bacon together. Right? Do the other side. Maybe. You can do it later, it's not that big of a deal. And then we're going to just fold this together. So there we go. And if you want more, you can see that this bread or toast isn't really cooked a lot. So we'll cook it a little more, flip it over, and then serve. And there we go, it's done. We'll just scoop it out and serve. So now it's time for the taste test. We're going to dig in to our sandwich and see how we did. So good, so easy. You only need 1 pan. Perfect. And you can use different kinds of meats or cheeses or whatever you like. Just put in there whatever you would put in a normal breakfast sandwich. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button. And be sure to check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time. This particular now you've all seen the... So on TikTok, there was a viral craze going around where people made a